In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable music haptics on iOS 18 on your iPhone. So with the new iOS 18 in town, the new feature added to it is called Music Haptics. So one of the few features you want to take note on your iPhone is the Music Haptics that allows you to feel the vibration whenever a music is playing or you play your favorite music if it supports the Music Haptics. So here in this video, you'll learn basically how you can easily turn on and turn off Music Haptics on your iPhone and how you can easily add the Music Haptics to your iPhone control center. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to enable Music Haptics on iPhone on iOS 18 is open the settings app on your iPhone just like this. Now scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on that. Now once you selected accessibility, just scroll down on the accessibility page until you get to hearing and click on Music Haptics. Click on that. Now you see this is turned off. Go ahead and turn on this. Now if you go ahead and click on play, then you feel the beat on your iPhone body by vibrating. So this shows the Music Haptics is turned on, and while playing music that support the Music Haptics, you can just scroll down just like this on your control center, and then you have access to the music like this, and then you'll be able to feel the music beat when you hold it. So this is how you can easily turn on or enable Music Haptics on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.